Tired of scrolling through endless Pinterest boards for design inspiration? Look no further. Our video is packed with real-life examples, stunning visuals, and insider secrets that will ignite your creativity and leave you itching to revamp every corner of your home. Join us as we decode the secrets to crafting a space that not only reflects your personality, but also functions seamlessly for your lifestyle. Let's transform your home into a sanctuary of style and comfort. Let's get started. Minimalist Elegance. Discover the essence of minimalist elegance, a harmonious blend of clean lines, neutral hues, and uncluttered spaces. Prioritize quality furnishings that marry functionality with visual allure, while embracing the warmth and texture of natural materials such as wood and stone. Elevate your living spaces with a serene ambiance that speaks volumes through simplicity. Cozy Scandinavian. Create a cozy atmosphere with a Scandinavian-inspired design. Use light colors, natural wood elements, and soft textiles like wool or faux fur. Incorporate plenty of natural light and add touches of greenery with indoor plants to bring a sense of nature indoors. Industrial Chic. Embrace the raw and edgy aesthetic of industrial design by exposing architectural elements like brick walls, concrete floors, and metal pipes. Incorporate salvaged or repurposed furniture pieces and add industrial-style lighting fixtures for a modern and urban feel. Bohemian Eclectic. Mix and match colors, patterns, and textures to create a bohemian-inspired space that feels eclectic and vibrant. Layer rugs, throw pillows, and blankets for a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Incorporate global-inspired décor, such as Moroccan rugs, Indian tapestries, or African prints, to add personality and character to the room. Modern Farmhouse. Blend rustic charm with contemporary elegance by combining farmhouse-inspired elements with modern touches. Incorporate reclaimed wood accents, vintage-inspired furniture pieces, and industrial lighting fixtures. Keep the color palette neutral, with pops of warm tones like beige, cream, and soft gray. Mid-century modern. Channel the sleek and retro vibe of the mid-20th century with clean lines, geometric shapes, and organic curves. Choose furniture pieces with tapered legs, bold patterns, and vibrant colors like mustard yellow, teal, or burnt orange. Mix vintage finds with modern accents for a timeless look. Scandinavian Modern. Embrace the principles of Scandinavian design with a focus on functionality, simplicity, and minimalism. Opt for furniture with clean lines, light wood finishes, and neutral colors like white, beige, and gray. Keep the space clutter-free and incorporate plenty of natural light to create an airy and spacious feel. Glamorous Art Deco. Transport yourself to the roaring 20s with an Art Deco-inspired interior design. Incorporate luxurious materials like velvet, marble, and brass, along with geometric patterns and bold color contrasts. Add glamorous accents like mirrored furniture, crystal chandeliers, and plush rugs for a touch of old Hollywood glamour. Remember, the key to a successful interior design is to reflect your personality and lifestyle while creating a functional and visually appealing space. Experiment with different styles, textures, and colors until you find the perfect balance that suits your taste. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of interior design. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights to elevate your living space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more design tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or want to share your own design experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Let's continue to create beautiful and functional spaces together. Until next time, happy decorating.